Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0088, indicates that the fuel rail pressure is too high in the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This issue can significantly affect the engine's performance, as proper fuel rail pressure is critical for optimal combustion and overall vehicle efficiency. The fuel rail pressure sensor monitors the fuel pressure in the rail, which is essential for delivering the correct amount of fuel to the engine. When the pressure exceeds the predetermined threshold, the Engine Control Module, ECM, triggers the P0088 code to alert the technician of the issue. This code should be verified against other related DTCs, as multiple codes could point to a systemic problem rather than an isolated incident. The P0088 code pertains specifically to the fuel rail pressure being too elevated. The fuel rail pressure sensor is a vital component that measures the pressure within the fuel rail, delivering this information to the Engine Control Module, ECM, for proper fuel management. This sensor is usually located on the fuel rail, which runs along the top of the engine and connects to each fuel injector. Its primary role is to ensure that the fuel delivered to the injectors is at the correct pressure for optimal combustion. An overly high fuel pressure can lead to rich fuel mixture conditions, causing inefficient engine operation and potential damage to other components. It's crucial to address the P0088 code to maintain engine performance and longevity. Several factors can provoke the P0088 code in the Honda CRV. First, a faulty fuel rail pressure sensor could misread the fuel pressure, falsely indicating an excessive level. Second, a malfunctioning high-pressure fuel pump could deliver fuel at inappropriate pressures due to wear or defects, leading to the DTC activation. Third, wiring or connector issues, such as poor connections at the fuel rail pressure sensor or the high-pressure fuel pump, can also cause erroneous readings. Each of these components is interlinked. Thus, diagnosing the exact root cause requires a systematic approach to isolate which part is responsible for the elevated fuel rail pressure. Proper checks of each suspect component will facilitate effective troubleshooting. A vehicle experiencing a P0088 code may exhibit a variety of symptoms that indicate an underlying fuel system issue. First and foremost, drivers may notice a reduction in engine performance, as improper fuel pressure can lead to poor combustion efficiency. This inefficiency often translates into diminished fuel economy, as the engine compensates for the incorrect fuel-air mixture. Additionally, the check engine light, CEL, will illuminate on the dashboard, serving as an alert that a malfunction has occurred in the engine management system. If left unaddressed, these symptoms may worsen over time and could lead to more serious engine damage or failure. Therefore, recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for maintaining vehicle integrity. The first step in troubleshooting the P0088 code is verifying the problem while the vehicle is idling. Initiate the process by recording onboard snapshots using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which captures real-time data from various sensors. After recording, switch the vehicle to the on mode and proceed to clear the DTC with the HDS to reset the system. This action allows the technician to reevaluate the status of the DTC after performing preliminary checks. Following the DTC clearance, turn the vehicle off and restart the engine. It is essential to hold the engine speed at approximately 3,000 RPM without any load until the radiator fan activates. Then allow the engine to return to idle. This helps to stabilize operating conditions for further diagnostics. In this step, perform a test drive to verify the vehicle's operating parameters over several minutes. This includes monitoring engine speed, vehicle speed, and several sensor readings such as MAP, manifold absolute pressure, and TP, throttle position. It's essential to capture and assess these parameters to identify unusual behavior that correlates with the P0088 code. Following the test drive, utilize the HDS again to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If P0088 reappears during this verification process, it indicates an ongoing problem requiring further evaluation. If it does not, the system may be functioning normally at this time, but maintain vigilance for any intermittent failures that could reoccur under specific circumstances. The third troubleshooting step focuses on checking the fuel rail pressure sensor directly. Begin by turning the vehicle off and removing the PGM-FI, Programmed Fuel Injection Main Relay 2, which cuts fuel delivery to the injectors. Start the engine again, allowing it to idle until it stalls. This allows you to assess the fuel rail pressure sensor's functionality without fuel flow. After stalling, press the accelerator pedal to the floor and crank the engine several times to gather pressure data. Utilizing the HDS, check the output from the fuel pressure sensor against a predefined threshold, with normal conditions indicating values less than 1,000 kilopascals. If the sensor's reading does not match expected conditions, it might need replacement, as it can lead to indicated excessive pressures. This step involves verifying the fuel rail pressure sensor under load conditions. First, shut off the engine and reinstall the PGM-FI Main Relay 2. Start the vehicle and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM until the radiator fan starts. Then allow it to idle. Shift the transmission to the D position only while firmly pressing the brake pedal, as this ensures safety during acceleration. With the engine operating, gather real-time data on fuel pressure from both the converted values from the pressure sensor and the direct injection system pressure. It is vital for these readings to be nearly identical while also confirming that the relief valve readings indicate normal conditions. If discrepancies are found, it suggests that either the fuel rail pressure sensor or high-pressure fuel pump is defective and would require replacement. The final step of the troubleshooting procedure focuses on checking the fuel pressure on the low-pressure side of the fuel system. This process determines if any issues exist within the fuel supply system before it reaches the high-pressure fuel pump. If the fuel pressure at this stage is found to be within acceptable limits, it indicates that the high-pressure fuel pump may be at fault and replacement would be necessary. Conversely, if the fuel pressure is not okay, it suggests that there is an issue with the fuel supply system itself, which could include clogged filters or faulty lines. Each of these scenarios, on the low-pressure side, must be carefully evaluated to understand the overall health of the fuel delivery system. After performing all necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify the resolution of the P0088 issue. First, recheck the system for any remaining Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, to ensure that no new problems have emerged during the repair process. This can be done using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Next, a test drive should be conducted to confirm that the vehicle operates normally without returning to the P0088 code. During the test drive, pay particular attention to the engine's performance, fuel efficiency, and any unusual behavior. A successful verification process will confirm the problem's resolution and ensure the vehicle returns to optimal functioning. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding DTC P0088 and ensuring the longevity of your Honda CRV. Regular inspections of the fuel system, including the fuel rail and pressure sensor, can identify issues before they escalate into significant problems. Monitoring fuel pressure is essential. By keeping an eye on readings during routine checks, you can catch abnormal levels early. Additionally, regularly inspecting wiring and connectors associated with the fuel rail pressure sensor can prevent electrical issues that may lead to false readings. These proactive measures not only safeguard the integrity of the engine, but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency and performance. In summary, the P0088 DTC code signifies that the fuel rail pressure is excessively high, which can hinder engine performance and efficiency in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. Understanding the critical components involved, such as the fuel rail pressure sensor and high-pressure fuel pump, is essential for effective diagnostics. The troubleshooting steps laid out provide a thorough framework for technicians to identify and resolve the issue methodically. By following proper diagnostic procedures, performing necessary repairs, and implementing preventive maintenance practices, you can maintain optimal performance and longevity of the vehicle's fuel system. Addressing the P0088 code not only enhances driving experience, but also helps prevent costly repairs in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.